All right, whenever you are ready. Go twinkle little star! Hold up. I'm sorry. You guys are just not metal enough.
We needed to learn more about metal, so we visited our friends at Materion to find out how to make great metal.
My name is Matt Seidel. I'm the maintenance supervisor here at Materion.
My name is Ricky Strausser. I'm a maintenance scheduler here at Materion.
Most important step, finish annealing. So the final anneal furnaces you may have saw out there, we have 5 of them. Finish annealing is where we run a sample through the furnace and we test it. And if that test comes back bad, we retest to make a couple changes. So that process there absolutely is our end all, and if it's not good there, that's detrimental to us because most likely the product will be scrapped.
I have a high school diploma from Hamburg High, and I went for automotive inspection license. I used to carry that.
Nothing specific. I started off on the floor as a production operator, so for me it was just high school diploma. And then from there I just worked my way into getting into the position I'm in now.
Prior to Materion, I graduated from Brandywine Heights myself in 2017. And after that I went to Reading Area Community College and I got my associate's degree in electromechanical engineering. So working with robots, controls, PLCs, drives, all the things you kind of saw out there that make everything come together.
The process. I like the process, the equipment. It's a bunch of new technology mixed with some mechanical.
We want to thank Materion for teaching us all about metal. You guys rock!